Hi, welcome to Carepatron's Healthcare OS. In this video, we will be walking through how to customize and create tags. In this video, you will learn how to create and customize tags through the client record page, create and customize tags through the Personal Information tab in a client's record, delete tags. To create and customize tags through the client record page, navigate to the client record page. Hover over a client and select the Edit Tag button. Select the grey dot to customize the color of the tag. Type in the name you would like to create for the tag. Select Create New to save your new tag. To create and customize tags through the Personal Information tab, navigate to the Client Record page. Click on a client's record. Go to the Personal Information tab. Press Edit in the Provider Details section and press the grey dot to customize the color of the tag. Type in the name you would like to create for the tag and select Create New. To delete tags, go through the same steps to create tags as we have stated before. Click on the Manage Tags option. Click on the trash can icon for the tags you would like to delete. You have now created customized tags.